Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how you can use your laptop built-in camera. Before moving further, like this video and share also. The like and share target is 100k. Comment on this video and give us your opinion. The comment target is also 100k. Subscribe our channel for upcoming more videos. So moving back towards today's topic, in this video we'll teach you how you can use your laptop built-in camera. For this one, you have to type in search bar camera. Then you have to click on camera app. It will take a while to load camera app. So your laptop built-in camera will be turned on. So here you will find two options. The first option, you can capture your pictures. To capture an image, you have to click on camera icon. Then it will take a while to store your image in laptop memory. When you will move your mouse cursor, you will see video. Click on it. Then you have to click on take a video. Here in the bottom you will see the timer. Along with timer you will see in left side the red dot. That means our video recording is now started. Then you can click on stop button. Then the video will be saved to your laptop memory. Once your recorded video will be saved, the thumbnail of your recorded video will appear here in the bottom right side. You can see a square. Here your recorded video thumbnail will appear. You have to click on this thumbnail and you can see your recorded video. Here you can see the video which we have recorded just now. So here you can see, you can click on share tab also to share your videos on other social media. So in the same way, you can also use your laptop built-in camera. You can capture images and you can also record videos. If you still have any question, then comment below in the comment section. We will answer all of your queries. Like this video and share also. If you are new at this video, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Whenever we will prepare a new video, you will get notification that Technology Consultant channel has uploaded a new video. You can watch it. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.